Hey. So I'm going to clean my Jeep out. So there's been a few things that I've lost throughout my car camping adventures, down in the cracks, underneath the seat, and just areas that I can't get to. It's a complete mess right now. But I've been wanting to clean it for a while now, so I'm going to take everything out of it and show you how easy and quick it is. I haven't permanently mounted any of this down because I wanted to be able to remove it easily if I ever needed to. Let's get going. So for these lights, I have a light strips all the way around. I also lost the remote that I can't get without lifting these seats up, and with the platform and everything in it, it's pretty tough. So like I said, I'm just gonna clean everything out and put it back in Jeep mode, put the back seats up, go vacuum it, wipe everything down, and then I'm gonna load up my kayaks and stuff, do some fishing maybe, and then put it all back in when I'm ready. And like I said, I'll just show you, so stay tuned. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall apart when I take it out. Oh, this table's still down, that's right. Okay. Should have taken all the food out of the cabinet area because I have an open space, but I didn't. But I'm still able to pull this out, so. You can see it all just fell out. That was literally like not even a couple of minutes. So now I'm going to break down all the bedding and then just slowly just remove the basic stuff. And like I said, it's not going to take much time at all. Most likely I'm going to change that. Most likely I'm going to change the foam pad that I had below, because if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, it's just like a 1-inch carpet padding, the padding that goes down before carpet, which it worked great. I just put a sheet over it, but I'd like to have something that's kind of maybe stapled on, something maybe a little bit more permanent. Okay, so to take this out, I have just a couple of loose items. If you haven't seen the videos, I'll have to pull out the table. And then remember I added a junk drawer. Added the junk drawer, so I'll pull that out. I'm just doing this one hand as well, so you kind of know how light it is. And that thing just tilted up like that. I'll be able to slide it out.
super lightweight.
See, that's pretty much it. Now it's just getting the rest of the small loose stuff out of there. I'll remove my hiking stuff. And then all of my extra propane, my other accessories that I usually need out there as well. I'm debating on taking the cargo box off as well, because my daughter and her boyfriend want to do some kayaking, so I got to get the other kayak rack up there. So we'll see. This will actually be a good opportunity when I start putting things back. I can organize and maybe adjust and shift some things around as well, because I like to be organized, but I'm not always organized. This is all the stuff piled. You don't want to see the rest of my garage. It's an absolute disaster. All right. That was it. Took me maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll post, I don't know exactly how long it took, but I'll post it right up here so you can see it once I go through the video and everything. But yeah, literally probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I like that. So I didn't make it up there to actually vacuum it out and clean it out. Too much stuff going on up there. But at least you saw me tear it down, tear everything out of it. It's back to normal. Completely nothing in here. So if you want to see the next video, stay tuned. I was actually thinking about when I put it back together, I'm already thinking about some other ideas or maybe some things to change. I would actually like to try and fold this or leave this seat up and then have the side that folds down for my bed still have access to that. But I was hoping maybe I could fix something up here to where I can use this as like a changing area or a place to sit, and maybe even have a small space for a laptop if I'm out and I need to work. I don't know, it's just a thought, but if it's something you're curious about or curious about how I put it back together, stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure when I'll get one together, but hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.